Listen up, you donkey. Are you tired of feeling like a deflated souffle? Do you want to kick your energy levels up a notch and feel like a culinary champion? Well, get ready to transform your diet and your life, because we're about to dive into the world of superfoods. We're about to unlock the secrets of ingredients so packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, they'll make your taste buds sing and your body thank you. Forget those processed, flavorless excuses for food. It's time to fuel your body with the best of the best. Get ready to learn, get inspired, and most importantly, get cooking. First up, we've got kale, the king of greens. This leafy warrior is so packed with vitamins A, K, and C, it's practically illegal. You want better vision? Kale's got your back. Stronger bones? Kale says, bring it on. This stuff is like a superhero shield against those nasty, free radicals trying to mess with your body. Now, I know what you're thinking. Gordon, kale, that's rabbit food. Listen, you wouldn't serve overcooked pasta in my restaurant, would you? So, why treat your body like a dustbin? Kale doesn't have to be boring. Sauté it with some garlic and olive oil for a killer side dish. Toss it in your smoothies for a nutritional punch. Heck, even bake it into crispy chips for a guilt-free snack. The possibilities are endless. You just need a little imagination. Kale's a lean, mean, hot-pumping machine. It's got fiber to keep things moving, potassium to regulate blood pressure, and even some omega-3 fatty acids for brain power. So next time you're at the grocery store, skip the processed crap and grab yourself a big bunch of kale. Your body will thank you for it. Next up is blue spirulina. And no, it's not something you found stuck to your shoe after a rainy day. This blue-green algae is a nutritional powerhouse, packed with more protein than you can shake a stick at. We're talking more protein than beef, gram for gram. It's like the Michelin star of the algae world. Blue spirulina is also bursting with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Feeling sluggish? Spirulina's got your back with a boost of energy that'll make you feel like you can run a marathon. Need an immune system boost? Spirulina's got you covered. This stuff is like armor for your cells. Now I know what you're thinking. Gordon, algae? Are you having a laugh? Listen, don't knock it till you've tried it. You can add a teaspoon to your smoothies, sprinkle it on your salads, or even mix it into your yogurt. So ditch the sugar-laden energy drinks and give blue spirulina a try. Your body will be thanking me later. All right, you lot, let's talk quinoa. This ancient grain has been feeding civilizations for centuries, and for good reason. It's a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to build muscle, repair tissue, and basically function like a well-oiled machine. Quinoa has a nutty, slightly earthy flavor that adds a delicious depth to any dish. You can use it as a base for your salads, stuff it into bell peppers for a vegetarian delight, or even make a creamy quinoa porridge for breakfast. Quinoa is packed with fiber, which means it'll keep you feeling fuller for longer. It's also gluten-free, so it's perfect for anyone with gluten sensitivities. So ditch the white rice and embrace the power of quinoa. It's versatile, delicious, and good for you. What more could you ask for? Chapter 4. Chia seeds, tiny but mighty. Don't let their size fool you. Chia seeds are nutritional powerhouses. We're talking fiber, protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants, all packed into a tiny seed. These little guys are like sponges, soaking up liquid and expanding in your stomach, keeping you feeling fuller for longer. Say goodbye to those pesky cravings and hello to sustained energy levels. Chia seeds are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which can help lower cholesterol, reduce inflammation, and keep your ticker ticking like a well-wound clock. Sprinkle them on your salads, blend them into your smoothies, or even make a delicious chia seed pudding. Trust me, your taste buds and your body will thank you for it. Chapter 5. Avocado, the good fat friend. Now, who's ready for some avocado? This creamy, dreamy fruit is a gift from the culinary gods. It's packed with healthy fats, fiber, and more vitamins and minerals than you can shake a stick at. Avocados are loaded with monounsaturated fats, the kind that helps lower bad cholesterol and reduce the risk of heart disease. Avocados are also incredibly versatile. Smash them up for a killer guacamole, slice them onto your toast, or even blend them into a creamy smoothie. The possibilities are endless. So go ahead, indulge in the creamy goodness of avocado. Your body will thank you for it. Chapter 6. Berries, nature's candy. Listen up, you lot. We're talking berries now. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, blackberries, the whole bloody lot. These little gems are bursting with flavor, and they're packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber. Forget those sugary sweets that leave you feeling sluggish and bloated. Berries are nature's candy, sweet, satisfying, and good for you. Need a brain boost? Blueberries are your secret weapon. They're packed with antioxidants that can help improve memory and cognitive function. Want to reduce inflammation? Strawberries are here to save the day. And let's not forget about raspberries. Those little powerhouses are loaded with fiber, which can help regulate digestion and keep you feeling full and satisfied. So ditch the processed junk and embrace the natural sweetness of berries. Eat them fresh, add them to your yogurt, or blend them into a delicious smoothie. Chapter 7. Turmeric, the golden spice of life. Right, let's talk turmeric, the spice that's taking the culinary world by storm. This golden wonder is not just for curries anymore. It's packed with a powerful compound called curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that would make even the most skeptical scientist raise an eyebrow. We're talking about reducing inflammation throughout your entire body, from your joints to your gut. Plus, turmeric can help boost brain function, protect against chronic diseases, and even brighten your skin. And the best part? It's incredibly versatile. Add a teaspoon to your smoothies, sprinkle it on your roasted vegetables, or even mix it into your scrambled eggs. The warm, earthy flavor adds a delicious depth to any dish. So ditch those over-the-counter painkillers and embrace the natural power of turmeric. Your body will thank you for it. Chapter 8. Salmon, dive into brain food. All right, you lot, listen up. Let's talk about salmon, the king of fish. This oily delight is not only delicious, but it's also a nutritional powerhouse that'll have you feeling like you can swim upstream. First off, salmon is loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, those brain-boosting, heart-healthy fats that everyone's talking about. We're talking about improving your memory, focus, and even your mood. But that's not all. Salmon is also a great source of protein, vitamin D, and potassium. And let's not forget about its anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, arthritis, and even cancer. So ditch those greasy burgers and embrace the power of salmon. Grill it, bake it, poach it, or even eat it raw as sashimi. Just make sure it's cooked to perfection. Chapter 9. Sweet potatoes, root your way to health. Sweet potatoes. They're not just for Thanksgiving anymore, you lot. These vibrant tubers are packed with nutrients that'll have you feeling sweet as pie. First off, sweet potatoes are an excellent source of beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. We're talking about boosting your immune system, improving your vision, and even keeping your skin looking young and healthy. Sweet potatoes are also a good source of fiber, vitamin C, and potassium. And let's not forget about their natural sweetness, which can satisfy your sweet tooth without all the added sugar and guilt. Roast them, mash them, or even spiralize them into noodles. Chapter 10. Nuts about nuts. Listen up, you nutcrackers. We're talking nuts, almonds, walnuts, cashews, pecans, the whole bloody lot. These little powerhouses are packed with healthy fats, protein, fiber, and a whole host of vitamins and minerals. Nuts are loaded with monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, the good kind of fats that can help lower cholesterol, reduce inflammation, and keep your heart healthy. Nuts are also a great source of protein and fiber, which can help keep you feeling full and satisfied between meals. Plus, they're packed with vitamins and minerals like vitamin E, magnesium, and potassium, which are essential for maintaining good health. So ditch those potato chips and candy bars and reach for a handful of nuts instead. Your body will thank you for it. Level up your diet. There you have it, you lot. 10 superfoods that'll take your diet from 0 to hero. No more excuses for serving up bland, boring meals that taste like they were cooked in a prison cafeteria. It's time to step up your game and start incorporating these nutritional powerhouses into your daily routine. Remember, eating healthy doesn't have to be a chore. It's about making smart choices, experimenting with new flavors, and treating your body with the respect it deserves. So go on, get creative in the kitchen and show me what you got. And for God's sake, don't overcook the salmon.